Basically, most of us send the ordinary text messages on iPhone, but on iPhone, actually you missed some cool animated text messages. Okay, let's do this. Open Message app and click here and select the receiver contact and type the message you want to send. Then long press on the send button. Now you will see these cool animated effects. Yeah, it's really cool, na? Then select your loud effects. Then what you have to do means just tap the send button. That's it. You successfully sent the animated text message on iPhones.